Senior citizens, a serious so Accra folk player SALIFU IBRAHIM Di Maria currently as we speak on committee to Accra folk and also contract be this season na Kumasi Asante Kotoko confirmation say TOUTED SALIFU IBRAHIM Di Maria as the possible replacement for Richmond Lamptey in the event say Richmond Lamptey ebe free Kotoko no unim se Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne Richmond Lamptey conversation no eguso a ekoso. The last time I hear report about Richmond Lamptey, na agreement has been made say obe extended for 1 year with an option to go. Send ya in case of Kotoko ebenyeska. That was the latest news on Richmond Lamptey. But Richmond Lamptey bekono, the replacement for Richmond Lamptey mpanyifo eya de omani akusi Accra folk dynamic midfielder which is SALIFU IBRAHIM Di Maria. Ehho asem wo ha me de bro ewufi ampa chawo ha yi Super 24 TV. Sa wunya subscribe ya wadaroma na wa hit subscribe no so amame na wa bo adoma no so na ya build it together information dey bi wo wi ase to ho na wo se de bro na ya moving on. SALIFU Di Maria to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I don't know how you are going to take it, and I don't know what you think though. Maybe me who say SALIFU IBRAHIM Di Maria in the event say Richmond Lamptey free crop here. Or you're the right candidate to fill that gap in the capacity of ball playing midfielder, the offensive midfielder Kumasi Asante Kotoko ehiano, and we name the other parts nano. But Kumasi Asante Kotoko, let's be real honest to ourselves. Since Sheriff Mohammed every team no ogum wabo try and error na Rocky Dramana beba bebo intim menu beba bebo Mikey Che Dramana beba bebo still na yehu so but player ono naturally sa position no ena obo which is Justice Blay. Until the fans don't do any busa say adentin na ombo Justice Blay on pay Justice Blay any Richmond Lamptey or midfield was defensive and offensive. The other time me call kubusa omo chem say Justice Blay enam ni injury no until we need so much energy to exert sa obo side defensive role na some excuses been omo de ma but I don't know menya medical person omo say ni say Justice Blay enim say injury be any no so far say utimi bo 3 utimi bo ho anwa utimi bo 2 ni ade no. Why not put him in the midfield so that Kumasi Asante Kotoko can be grinding the result? Kotoko ni bechim say ye nim the obebo ye central midfield role. So enama munua Richmond Lamptey ofri work up ofri Afcon eba no so no kra ba ko pe